Hey, hi all. In this video we will discuss about how to execute exceptions from Apex unit test. So let's start. So first of all, if for an example, if we have a test class like I have to select this and then I have to select this. So for an example, we have a test class, and in that particular, or we have a logic which states that if a particular account is inserted and name is not there, then it will throw an exception stating that it's a required field. But we have taken care while writing a code, and we have written that in a try catch block. Like we are inserting the account in try block. Like for an example, we are doing this. So like we have a try block, and in this try block we are just inserting the account. Then we have a catch block. There are some exception. So now when this trap block is executed, it will not be able to insert the record because this account doesn't have the name field, which is a by default required field when you are creating an account. So it will then go to the catch block, and according to the logic which we have written in this block, it will handle it. Now in this video we will see like how we can cover this particular block in the test class, because in test class will be an automated means like it will be an the script which we have written according to the run as user, and might be like what different account parameters or the fields which we have set up. According to that particular test class will run. So to cover this exception, we have to create an exception in our test class. We have to cover we have to have an try and catch block in the test class, and then only it will be covered. So let's see how it can be done. So for an example, we will just go to our org. So this is our org. So just hit resume, and then we will write the code. Now it's public static void, and then we are writing for account insert. We are passing a parameter AC. Okay. Then we have a try block, and in that we are trying to insert the ACC. So we can have a system dot debug try block, and then we have to write catch, otherwise it will throw an error. Catch block will have exception. Then we will have system. Oh, sorry. This is catch. So we will just do Control A, and it is fine. We will save this controller. So as you can see, in this control we are just passing an account, and then we are trying to insert that account. If all the things are good, like if it has all the details in it, then it will not be an issue. It will not be an issue. The record will be inserted successfully, and it will not go into the catch block. If there is some issue while inserting the account, then only it will go to the catch block. So now we will write the test case for this. So it will be like, we have to mention it as test, and then copy it and then again paste it. We will have a method public static void account insert test. Then we will be creating an account with name, account instance has been created successfully. We will try to pass this. Oh, sorry. We'll try to pass this in account controller. And the method of that particular class, that is account insert. The parameter is account. We will pass this. So for an example, if I write try and catch, then it will be taken care of. But for an instance, we will directly try to create an account, insert an account directly. Save button. And now I will just go to test, new run. This is the class, this is the method name, and now I will run it. As we don't have the try and catch block in test class, so the test data is created and it is trying to directly insert the record. Okay, so how much is covered? So now this catch block is also covered because we don't have a name in this. So for an example, I will put a.name and then we will have a name like T for an example. Name is the required field. Now again I will run this. You can run it from here, but it will execute all the methods in that particular test class. I will just go to this, and as you can see, only the try block has been, because now we have added a name in it. So you have to create an exception, then only this particular block will be covered. So for an example, if I again go to this and if I remove this name and I say control save, it will be saved, and then again I run this. Then as you can see, it will go to only to the catch block. It will cover this, but it will only go to the catch block. So we will just check once the code coverage. Okay, then we will look for the debug logs. We have two debugs which we have set up, so we'll just go to debug only. As you can see, this is catch block. So now the code is in this. This is not executed. Okay, so this is how you can catch or you can cover the exceptions in the test class. So for the exceptions, you have to create that particular condition, then only you will be able to catch that. So thank you. That's all for this video.